Hey there, food lovers! Today, we're going to whip up a delicious and nutritious recipe for you. Vegetables pulao. This dish is not only tasty but also packed with essential vitamins and minerals. Start by boiling basmati rice and drain the water. Then spread it on a plate and let it cool completely. Heat some oil or ghee in a wok and saute the onions, garlic, and ginger. Once they're fragrant, add the vegetables and cook until they're slightly tender. Add salt, turmeric powder, and pepper powder. Then, add the rice and spices, and give everything a good mix. Finally, add few fried cashews and voila! Your vegetables pulao is ready to be devoured. Thanks for joining me in this culinary adventure. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious dishes. Until next time, happy cooking!